Jair Bolsonaro was seen waving to supporters outside his home as his defense team pleaded his innocence before Brazil's Supreme Court. One of his lawyers said the former president was too ill to attend his own trial.
Bolsonaro's health is quite weak. He's a bit restless with all that's going on, but he's positive, confident, and optimistic.
Inside the courtroom, another lawyer argued there was no crime, just political noise. He denied claims that Bolsonaro plotted a coup after losing the 2022 election and downplayed a meeting with military officials where a possible state of emergency was discussed.
There is absolutely nothing. This case is being inflated to pin the president to January 8th of 2023.
That was the day Bolsonaro supporters stormed the Supreme Court, Congress, and the presidential palace, calling on the military to oust newly inaugurated President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva. Bolsonaro was in the United States at the time and denies any role in the attacks.
If the trial is strictly legal, there's no reason to sentence former President Bolsonaro. But if there are political influences, that's another question.
Having heard both the prosecution and the defense, the panel of 5 Supreme Court justices will reconvene next week, this time to vote and decide whether Bolsonaro and his 7 co-defendants are guilty as charged, and if so, what their penalties will be. Outside the Supreme Court, a lonely protester played the funeral march on his trumpet, marking what he hopes is the end of Bolsonaro's political career. Inside Congress, the former president's son, Senator Flávio Bolsonaro, is pushing a pardon bill for his father.
Bolsonaro's conviction could be a catalyst for the right to push for amnesty ahead of the 2026 elections. He is still very popular, and even if he can't run, he can still help elect others.
With the trial nearing its climax, Brazil braces for a verdict and a possible institutional clash. A conviction could pit the judiciary against Congress, while the president, who relies on lawmakers to govern, may find himself caught in the crossfire. Yanakiew, Al Jazeera, Brasilia.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news, expert insight. Like, share, stay ahead.